Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Microbiology Lab online. This is your humble instructor, Greg Barnhill, and yes, the lab is online. There are a lot of ways you could do this. I tried to keep this to the point where there's no extra cost and try to keep it as simple as I can. And I'm going to go through and show you these upper tabs and then show you where you can get started. First of all, right now, this is my view. So I'm going to click on the student view, and if you guys, those of you who are in lecture, you saw the same sort of thing. Here are the upper tabs. So right now, if you're first viewing this video before the semester started, all you're seeing are these tabs right here. That's because you get access to your course a week before it starts. So I'm going to go click on the syllabus, and this is what you clicked on to watch this video. So here are my office hours. The best way to get a hold of me is through this email. You can email me anytime. I know this says virtual. Obviously, don't do the office phone. We are not at the office this summer. We still can't get on campus. We can, but we have to go through a lot of weeks warning and everything, and I have no plans of going out there. Now, I'm going to go down in the syllabus. This is the grading, the breakdown for the grading. Lab quizzes are 65%, and there are 9 of those, and I'll check that for sure in a second. There is an unknown report that's written, and I made a video how to complete that. When you take this course, you do some unknown testing, and you have a write-up for it, and we're going to do the same thing online. I'm going to have to send you the information instead of you doing the test itself. And then there's a microorganism lab exam that's a slide exam that is 15%. So all that together is 100%. So that's just some introductory part of the syllabus. Now on the course overview, I'm going to have to change one of these. It says Firefox here. You can use Google Chrome. In fact, I will, by the time you watch this video, you're going to see a little different. When you actually click on the course overview, it will have the Google Chrome option there, but there's the video link. But you have to use either one of those browsers to do this course. You're going to get an announcement that says Google Chrome in it. I use Firefox. That's what I have right now. But here are the plugins you need and the course description. And basically go through and just click on these, like the Adobe Reader if you don't have that. There are some PDFs in this course. The Flash and the Java, you'll need those as well. I'm pretty sure you already have them on your computer. Let me go ahead and go back up to the schedule. So here's our schedule. We have 5 weeks, and these are the quizzes you're going to be taking each week. Here is the topic that's being covered. The first topic in lab will be Introduction to Microlab and Hand Scrubbing. I do have videos for all of this. I suggest you watch them. I go over all kinds of important parts of the lab and everything. But that's our schedule, and there's a printable version here. If you like a hard copy of something, you can print this out, and it still has the all of the information. Now, what I've decided to do, I hate that blank. There are no due dates for, let me go ahead and no, I don't want to save it. There are no due dates for this course. In other words, there's no weekly due dates. The due date is going to be the last day of class, okay? The end of the semester at midnight. The My Grades tab has the due date, the actual due dates under that. So, and I'll go through that in a second. So that's the the schedule. Textbooks, we don't have one. I'll give you outlines. That's what you're going to be using to study to take the quizzes. And I'd like you to have the outlines and watch the videos. Under my office, here's the virtual office hours. There's my email address, so you can get a hold of me there very easily. Like I said, the course messages, you can message me through Blackboard as well. If you want a quicker answer, it looks like it's off. That's the best. This is the best way to get a hold of me. But Blackboard I do check it once a day. It has its own message system. Okay, all right. Well, I'm going to go ahead. Now, right now, you can't see this. I'm going to click on the 1 tab. Now, these tabs over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's others. They correspond to each week in the semester. So week 1, week 2, week 3. And when you click on week 1, it's going to say the week 1 Micro Lab. There's some information about what you're covering as far as our learning outcomes go. It says below are the units you'll be covering for week 1. So below the arrow. And here is Unit 1, Unit 2, and then Unit 3. Now each unit, when you click on this, there's a little bit of an introduction. There's a video that goes through everything you're going to be doing. Now, please watch those. And under this tab that says Lab Videos, Rules and Hand Washing Outline Video, there's a tour of a microbiology lab. It's not ours. Here's a hand washing video showing the experiment. But these outline videos, I go through, and this one I went through the rules and the hand washing, but I go through the outlines with you. All right, so if you want an explanation, if you can do good reading, that's fine too. But so this first week, you're going to do these 3 units. And like I said, when you click on Unit 2, there's an introduction, there's the video, and it's the same format. And I didn't mention this on the other one, but this video will cover that. But down here, when you click for the quiz, here it is. You do get 2 opportunities to take the quizzes. It's going to keep the highest score. You have 30 minutes. It tells you somewhere in there you have exactly 30 minutes. It gives you a breakdown. This one's 11 question, 1 matching, 11 questions, and then it says 1 matching question and 11 multiple choice. Well, that didn't add up, so it's 12 questions. Anyway, math. But yeah, each unit will be the same. So once you get down the first couple of times, it'll be the same for the entire semester. So please watch the videos. Email me if you have questions. And thank you for registering. And good luck and have fun.